everybody, today we are going to be walking through an arm day workout. Lately I have started to lift heavier when it comes to arm day. I typically lift heavy on leg day, that's nothing new for me, but I recently injured my shoulder a couple of months ago and I had to go to PT. So on arm day in particular, I am nervous about lifting heavier, but I've started to incorporate some of the warm-ups that I did during PT and started to lift just a tiny bit heavier to see if my shoulder could handle it, and it seems to be okay. So I started this workout with a warm-up that I did in PT. This machine does look a little bit weird. It's almost like a bicycle machine, but for your arms. And so I did this going backwards for 5 minutes to just kind of get the muscles in my arms going, especially my shoulder. Now, before we get into the first exercise, please go ahead and like and subscribe this channel. After doing this warm-up, I did my very first exercise, which was on the cables. I grabbed the long bar attachment and went for the wide arm lat pull downs. I did 4 sets of 10 reps. This exercise works the back. I really love back exercises because by having a wider back, it creates the illusion of a smaller waist. So you can almost fake having a smaller waist by doing more back exercises. So definitely try it. If you don't like it, you'd always just remove it out of your fitness journey. This is your fitness journey, so you do whatever makes you happiest and most comfortable in the gym. But that's personally the reason why I enjoy back. For the next exercise, I hit the bench press. I did 4 sets of 12 reps. I grabbed the bar about shoulder distance apart. Working chest as a woman can help to lift and make the boobs perkier. So definitely try this workout if that's something that you're interested in trying. For the third exercise, I did 3 sets of 10 skull crushers. This exercise works the triceps. Again, I had my arms about shoulder distance apart. I used to get nervous about doing anything that works the triceps because typically that is what makes the arms look bigger. We're gonna own nice defined arms. Then I hit back again by doing 4 sets of 10 reps of bent over rows. In this case, I used a plate.
Try to keep your elbows pinched to your sides.
Next, I hit the shoulders. Now, on arm day, sometimes I like to cheat a little bit and use my legs for momentum to push. And so for this particular exercise, I know that I have the tendency to do that. So I went slowly on my lat raises where I did 3 sets of 12 reps because I knew it would help with 2 different things. 1, it would help me to not use my legs and really to use my shoulder muscles. And 2, also it helps with time under tension. So I knew by going slower, it's gonna increase that time that these muscles are being worked. So 2 birds, 1 stone. While doing lat raises, I have my palms facing me while I'm holding the dumbbell, and then I just raise the dumbbell slowly. Lastly, I finish up this workout with a 20-minute incline walk on the treadmill. Now, the arms are smaller muscles than in comparison to like the legs. So naturally, you're just not gonna burn as many calories as you would on like a leg day. And so to help offset that, I hopped on the treadmill for that 20-minute incline walk just to kind of help me burn more calories. And that's all for today's workout. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.